Bethany Lily April is a British fashion model, Instagram influencer, TikTok video content creator, YouTuber, and social media personality, who has amassed global recognition as a model on social media platforms, especially on Instagram and YouTube, by sharing her stunning, curvaceous, attractive, modeling photos, videos, and fashion content. She is also popular for sharing her fitness and lifestyle vlogs on a self-titled YouTube channel and for being on the cover of popular magazines including Zoo Today magazine and others. On April 24, 1996, Bethany was born in Essex, England in an affluent family and raised along with her siblings and parents whose detailed information is unavailable so far. In order to complete her education, she was enrolled in a local high school, where she discovered her passion for modeling and decided to make a career in the same field. After finishing graduation, she moved to London to make a professional career in modeling. As per Bethany Lily April's date of birth, her age is 26 years, as of now, in 2023. Bethany Lily April's height is about 5'7" and her weight is approximately 58 kilograms. The net worth of Bethany Lily April so far, in 2022, is estimated to be more than $2.25 million.